If you are planning to start a business in South Dakota, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in South Dakota even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why choose South Dakota for your LLC? Number one is about the tax advantages. That means more of your hard-earned revenue stays in your business, helping you reinvest, grow faster, and improve your overall profitability. And of course, low fees. Lower ongoing costs makes it easier to maintain your LLC without putting pressure on your budget. And of course, South Dakota offers a business and friendly environment. It supports entrepreneurs, giving you confidence and stability as your business grows. And of course, a streamlined registration. You can often complete registration entirely online, meaning you can form your LLC quickly and start operating sooner. After that is choosing a name for your LLC. You want to make sure that your chosen name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, L.L.C. or Ltd, and must be distinguishable from existing names. Now, for example, if you have a specific business name in mind and you wanted to check its availability, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the South Dakota Secretary of State Business Information Search. Type in your desired business name. Now, if there is no matching results appear, that means the name is available and good to go. And you also have the ability to hold that name and reserve it for 120 days for a minimum fee of $25. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is choosing a registered agent. A registered agent is someone who receives all the legal documents. They must have a physical address, and PO box is not allowed. If you wanted to become a registered agent of your own, you can do that provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. However, what we suggest is to hire a professional registered service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now, the official step that creates your LLC is by filing the Articles of Organization. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by mail, including a $15 paper processing fee, which is kind of the slower option. But what we suggest is to file it online. All I have to do is very simple. Go to the South Dakota Secretary of State online filing, which is kind of really faster and more efficient. You just have to provide the LLC name, registered agent, management structure, organizer name. And of course, ensure all required information is accurate. And then you need to keep a copy of the confirmation and the Articles of Organization. An operating agreement is not legally required for LLCs in South Dakota. However, it's highly recommended for every LLC, whether you're a single member business or have multiple partners. Of course, it also helps you define LLC structure. This internal document clearly outlines who owns the business, how it's managed, and how day-to-day operations are handled, helping you prevent future disputes. A well-written operating agreement sets roles, responsibilities, and expectations for each member. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. After that is keeping your LLC in good standing, which requires consistent attention to filings and state regulations throughout the life of your business. Number one is you need to file the annual report. Missing this deadline could lead to penalties or even admin dissolution, so it's important to mark it on your calendar. And of course, you need to pay the annual report filing fee. You also need to continuously maintain a registered agent for your LLC. Do not forget about the local requirements because staying on top of these ongoing requirements helps protect your LLC status and keeps your business running smoothly. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including South Dakota. Now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And that's it on how to register an LLC in South Dakota, which is one of the smartest moves for entrepreneurs because the process is straightforward, affordable compared to many states, and designed to support small business growth. Remember, building a business isn't just about paperwork, It's about creating opportunities, protecting your assets, and positioning yourself for growth so you'll have a solid, legally protected business ready to operate and scale. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.